Hello everyone, welcome back to Zippy Learning. Today in our Finger Abacus Plus series, we will revise and master an advanced concept, the big friends of 1. Let's see how our fingers help us add and subtract 1 even when direct bit is not available and small friends formula is not applicable. Let's perform some addition applying this formula. We are in 0 position, place 5, then add 4, then add 1. Can you add 1 directly? All 1 bits are used. To add 1, we have to apply big friends formula. Add 10, less 9. Now add 1. Value of the fingers is 10 and 1, 11, 16, 10, 5 and 1. 16 plus 13, 10 and 3. 13 plus 11. Add 10 and add 1. Can you add 1 on 1's place? No, it's not possible. To add 1, we will apply big friends formula. Add 10, less 9. Add 51, 50 and 1. Value of the fingers is 50 and 40, 90 and 1, 91. Place 29, 10 and 10, 20, 5 and 4, 9, 29. Add 11. To add 11, we have to add 1 on 10's place and add 1 on 1's place. But it's not possible to add 1 directly. To add 1, we have to apply big friends formula. Add 10 less 9. Again add 11. To add 1 on 10's place, we have to apply small friends formula. Add 5 less 4. And on 1's place, bits are pretty available to add 1. Value of the fingers is now 50 and 1, 51. Now we will apply the formula to less 1. We are in 0 position, place 20, 10 and 10, 20, minus 11. We have to less 1 from 10's place. It's possible to less 1 now. Now less 1 from 1's place. Now it's not possible to less 1 from 1's place. That's why we will apply big friends formula to less 1. Less 10, add 9, plus 31, 30 and 1. To add 1, we will apply the big friends formula. Add 10 less 9 plus 51. Bits are pretty available to add 51, 50 and 1. Value of the fingers is 50 and 40, 90 and 1, 91. Place 50. Now less 21. To less 20 from 10's place, we need to apply small friends formula. Less 5, add 3. And to less 1 from 1's place, we will apply big friends formula. Less 10, add 9. Plus 31, to add 30, add 50 and less 20. And to add 1, add 10, less 9. Minus 41. To less 4 from 10's place, we need to apply small friends formula. Less 5, add 1. And to less 1 from 1's place, we need to apply big friends formula. Less 10, add 9. Now value of the fingers is 10 and 9, 19. So we have learned big friends to add 1, add 10, less 9 and big friends to less 1, less 10, add 9. That's all for today's big friends of 1 lesson. And if you enjoyed this revision, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zippy Learning. And watch our Finger Abacus Plus playlist for more smart tricks like this. See you soon with the next revision. Thank you.